Okay, here is a brand new Dakin. I just opened the box. It's actually still sitting on the box. I just opened it up so you can see the box here. It's a Dakin Goodman E-Series. Okay, and brand spanking new. And see the light behind it. Okay, literally brand new. The floor's still perfect in there. So the difference is, do you see the difference between my 6-year-old unit that I've cleaned? I didn't clean for the first 2 years, but I cleaned after that every 6 months after that. So for the last 4 years, I've been cleaning it. And I don't believe there's any difference between mine and this one here, which is brand spanking new, never been used. That floor is perfectly clean, and my floor was damn near perfectly clean. And I didn't even try to wash it out for the picture. That's just the way it looks after all this time. Every time I wash it, it just gets a little cleaner because it does have a little place where the water runs out on the bottom of these things, as we all know. So anyway, that is the brand new Dakin right there. I'm trying to figure out the best shot you can see. Yeah, that's it. So it looks exactly the same. So no, they were completely wrong. My way of cleaning it is absolutely perfect. I showed the interior IDU, absolutely perfect. Showing the outside ODU now, absolutely perfect. And I'm going to put the old one back on another couple of minutes of the, or minute of the old one again in case you forgot what it looks like in contrast to this one. So I'll show you this one and I'll instantly put that one back on so you can see the two difference. But anyway, they were totally wrong. Clean it the way I said. Don't listen to the naysayers. It turns out perfect. And you'll be way happier than having a disgusting system, interior and exterior. In a half an hour or less, twice a year, which really works out to be once a year, because you think of it every 6 months. By the time you do it the second time, you're done the first one of the next year. So it's really one time a year in effect. You know, you're doing it twice a year, but the next year is only once, right? Do you get it? Anyway, so it's every 6 months, works out perfect. Not do half an hour every 6 months for a perfect system inside and out? Yeah, that's the ticket. All right, if you have any questions, put them down below. Okay, so it looks to me like it's perfectly clean. I don't see any issues at all. This is my mini split that is 6 years old, and I didn't wash it for the first 2 years, and then for the last 4 years I've washed it the way I showed you in the video. They said the pan would be terrible. The pan is not terrible. It doesn't look bad at all. I didn't even try to clean it out for the video either. As you can see here, it is dirty, just a hair. But like I said, I didn't even try to wash it out just so I could prove that it gets clean. I just pushed the water, dirt through as I normally showed you on the video. But this thing here is absolutely freaking spotless. There's nothing. You can't see anything in this thing. This is brand new. I'm going to go take a picture of a brand new one I just got out of the box. And I'll show you that it's exactly the same. So yeah, they're full of crap. Okay, as I said, it's a Dakin Goodman E-Series. I just don't want somebody to say, no, it's not a Dakin, or it's not a Goodman, whatever. The point is, it's Dakin, and it's branded on the front, Goodman E-Series. All right, and that's the system. Okay. Okay, I got my killer flashlight, so we should be able to see inside there. And yeah, look at this. Literally clean as a whistle. Oh, I'm messing up the thing at all. But this is all the way outside, man. I mean, that is like clean. There's the whole gutter is spotless. As far as the eye can see. It's literally spotless. I mean, there's nothing in it. That cleaning job only took 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes of spraying, maybe 5 minutes of spraying if I wasn't talking. That thing is freaking clean as a whistle. Okay, so like I said, that's the gutter, and that's the plug you put in on the left side. Like I said, look at that. That's the whole gutter right here. It's literally spotless. And it goes all the way down until I can't see anymore. And then over here you can see the end result. And as far as I can see over there, look at that. It's absolutely perfect. Yeah, so they're full of crap as a Christmas goose. There's nothing on there. And don't even get me started on how perfect this thing is. Literally perfect. I'm going to take a big giant light from behind there and show you the difference between a brand new one and this one. And I'm telling you right now, I already checked the brand new one. It is exactly the same light. There is no difference. This thing is perfectly clean. And it's been washed with that pressure washer, let's see, 4 years now. I started 4 years ago. It's a 6-year-old system, and I didn't wash it for 2 years. But now, at the last 4 years, I've washed it twice a year. And this thing is literally perfect. Absolutely nothing, perfectly quiet. Bearings aren't hurt at all. Everything's perfect. So yeah, I ain't buying their theories, man. Their theories are no good. This thing is clean as a whistle. Okay, this is the mini split in question that they said was going to be a problem if I tell people how to clean it. And my video was perfect. Literally perfect. And again, I'll show you a brand new system. I'm going to take you over and show you a brand new system. Show you it's exactly the same. They look identical. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm going to take a picture of that one. And I'll dare you to pick which one is the new one. Anyways, you can see there's a wall right here. And because of that, it was hard enough just getting the 2 screws out of that side. But there's no way to get the squirrel cage out of there. I can't get it up high enough. Because it's too close to the wall. So anyway, there was no moving it far enough away to where I could pull that out. So that's off unless I pull the system. And it's not worth it. It's perfect. The only reason I'm messing with it at all is because those guys made me, double think my system. And I got news. I should have known after, like I said, these are 6-year-old Sinville units. I didn't wash them for the first 2 years. Then I washed it after I saw how disgusting it was. And then I've been keeping up every 6 months, little maintenance. So it's a half-hour maintenance job, and which you actually spray only maybe, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most, but not even that. And it's just clean. And I was perfectly clean. It stays clean. The gutter's clean. The downspouts clean. I mean, everything's perfect. This is after 6 years, man. Yeah, I ain't buying their story. This is it. The way I told you in the video, that's the way you do it. Okay, so this is showing how clean it is. Literally spotless. You can't get it cleaner than that. This is like right through. I'm showing you the old one right now. But I'm about to show you the brand new one. And there is no difference. This thing is perfect. Literally perfect. It's for 6 years old. It's literally perfect. There's not a bit of debris in this unit. They were saying, oh no, it's no good. You can't do that. Yeah, whatever. That's people in the trade trying to keep jobs for themselves. It seems like they've raked in enough coal. Shouldn't have to rake it in from everybody. But look at this, man. It's perfect. Literally perfect. All right, so that's it. I don't know what else I could do to show you that it's absolutely, positively perfect.